Under Step 1, select Faculty or Division. Under Session, for your first-year courses, make sure you select Fall or Winter. Under Step 2, you can type the name of the subject area. You could select Show More Filters to narrow your search by a list of criteria. If you want to find courses only with space available, or the list of courses with option to waitlist, you could select that as well. Click on Search, and you'll be able to see the list of courses available for biology. Bio AO1 is offered in the first semester. Bio AO2 is offered in the second semester. Click on the name of the title to see more information. As you could see here, this course was initially restricted to Year 1 and Year 2 students in the following groups. If you see your admission category listed here, then that means you have priority enrollment. At a certain date and time, this was open up to students in other groups. Select More Course Information and you'll be able to see the description, prerequisites, co-requisites, and exclusion. You'll also see that this course is designated as a natural science course under the breadth requirement category. Always pick one lecture, and if there's practical or tutorials available, also select that as well. You must pick one of each. You can select the lecture section that you want to enroll in, add to timetable, select Show Timetable to see your schedule, since there are practicals available, you must choose one. To save your timetable, click on Share and Export. You could export as a PDF or an image, or you could get a shareable link. Once you paste the link into a browser, you'll be able to pull up the schedule that you created.